Hello everyone, welcome to one of my video. I was supposed to call this a day, but I stumbled on a particular concept in JavaScript which I found very interesting and new. So I decided to share with you today. You know you can call a function without the parentheses, but just with the tag literals. Yes, as you can see here, this separator is a function. And you can see here, this is how I'm calling it without the parentheses. Ideally, I'm supposed to have called it like this, which is the string and the literals. But it is possible that we can actually call the function with just these literals. And actually, this is a concept in JavaScript called the tagged functions. It actually came out during the year 2015, and it's quite an interesting concept. And it's used by some library like React. I'm not sure about React, but it sounds very, very interesting. As you can see, if I run this code, second, let me comment out what I have below here. If I run this code now, come to my editor and I do no tests, you can see here, this is our parameters that we sent into this function. And the function is expecting us to have strings and literals. Coming down to our console, you can see this is the array of the string as I console it out here, strings. If you watch closely, you will find out that the string here is taking this particular pattern. Before this interpolation, this is the first string. And any string that happens after the interpolation is then the next string. As you can see here, the first string here is my money is, and the second string here is apostrophe S, and this is a true string. And the literals here is basically what is inside, what I put inside this interpolation, which is the literals here, Mary. And the literals can be as many as you want. Let's say I want to put another literal. Let's say second literal. I can come here and then do something like this. One, and possibly here's console out second literal. And if I run this code again, you can see here we have our string. And if you notice here, it has added a new string here. It's an empty string. This is because after this literal, there's no string that appears after the literal. So it represented it with just an empty string. But also, most importantly, we can see that the second literal is actually showing here as 1. And this is 1 here. This is quite an interesting concept. And I was actually very, let's say, happy or impressed when I found out about this concept. I was just playing around, and one use case I saw is basically to use with HTML templating. Let me comment out this code. Comment out this one I have up here. This is just like a very weird use case. I was just playing around. It's well, let me explain it and let's see. So here I am defining a function h1, just a string. I'm using the spread operator to make all my literal come as an array. So let me pull out this console. So here I want what I put inside my h tag to be represented with should be represented as a HTML tag with its contents inside of the tag. So let's run it and see how it looks first. If you can see here, you can see h1 hello world span, inside the span and then close with the h1. And this is where I was calling the function hello world, and this is the span, which is also a function here, basically doing the same thing. And we have the text inside the span. Well, my goal here is just to have the H1, which is a parent to the span, and then close everything. So it's like I said, it's a weird use case. I was just playing around, but I actually find this tagged function very interesting. This is where we can find more information about it. I will add this to the description, add the link to the description so you can read it and better understand the tag templates. Yeah, thank you for stopping by and yeah, have a good day.